Now I'm going to see how we can set up a Paystack payment gateway for this video. First of all, you have to create a free account at paystack.com, and the thing that you have to notify for the payment gateway: set your profile, payment account team, preferences, and API and keys and webhooks. So first of all, you head over to paystack.com to create an account. We already have an account, so we log in to the account. Log into your account. You click on settings. Click on settings. In the event that you've created your account, is to click on settings. The first thing you have to know after in the creation of your account is your profile. So under the profile, you have under profile you have full names, your email, you have your full names, your email, payment accounts in the case where your monies will be remitted to for orders made on your website. So the payment account, you have to indicate it. The next thing to note is the team, the best people that we have access to your Paystack and dashboard. If it's just you alone, you indicate it. If you want others, you can add them. Thereafter, the next thing to note is preferences. Here you indicate the kind of information that you want delivered first to send to you in the event of when orders are made on your website. The information that you want sent to you, your customer. Email. So the next one is the API and keys. This is the section that really makes the payment gateway works on your site. So you have the live secret keys and the live public keys and the live test and public keys. So we'll be using it later on to set up our site. So when you are through with setting up your payment, your website can go to your WordPress dashboard to install the Paystack plugin. So watch part 2 of this video for more. So we'll be heading over. So you head over to your WordPress dashboard. You add new. Type in Paystack. When it comes up, click install now. Activate and head over to the plugin section. So click on settings. If you take it to this payment page, you will see that you enable Paystack. You see that the test mode is enabled. So to install the test public key, now first of all, this payment selection, the code that you want it popped up or redirected doing it in the checkout page. So now I'm going to go over to our dashboard. You copy the test secret key, paste it in the column for the test secret key on the WordPress dashboard. Head over again, copy the test public key and paste it on for the test public key on the website dashboard. So you can enable the use of safeguards for payment to be made on your website, so that the customer doesn't have to enter the card over and over again. They enable use custom metadata send order. These are something that will be sent to customers' email as well as your email when orders are made on your site. And you can equally ignore this. Then save changes. So we're going to see how this works. So this is a product now on the site. Add to cart, view cart. So proceed to checkout. Enter your billing details as a customer. So place your order. You see the Paystack payment method prompt is now up. And this is test mode. Click particular test payment. Click on pay. See the payment is successful. See order received. So this order is also be sent to your email and to appear on your order section of your website under WooCommerce orders. So that's all for how to set up Paystack payment gateway. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.